What's going on, guys? It's Coach Jones back with another video, and today I'm here with Zekrom916.
Hi.
And today we're not doing this video together. We did the last two videos together, and Zekrom got destroyed last video and went through torture. And in
Woohoo.
this video, we're starting off the videos together, but we're gonna be muting here in a second. I just wanted to explain what was going on because Zekrom's in a predicament. He can't beat the gym, so I can't battle the gym.
Yeah.
So until he battles the gym, then we do all that, and yada yada yada. We go on for our day, because he'll get destroyed in the next battle too.
Yeah.
All right. So anyway, without further ado, we're gonna meet on Discord, and then we're gonna go our own separate way, and then we'll be able to talk freely. All right. I'll see you
Bye.
at the time.
See ya.
All right, guys. So we are here on MMO, and we're actually gonna be going through the Nugget Bridge, and we're gonna be going to the next town because that's where my next team member that I currently want is right now. This Pokemon will help me battle that Charmeleon because right now Mankey and Ivysaur are not combatant for it. Well, since I'm muted on Discord, I can say it. For right now on my team, I do want a Diglett, and plus that'll help me with the third gym as well. This is kind of gonna be like a back-to-back kind of battle, but what I do want, because that Diglett will be able to outspeed it, and oh my god, I did not expect that to one-shot. We did a little training off screen. So that'll help me battle the Charmeleon and get me through that gym. By the fourth gym, I should have my technically third member because Diglett's not going to be permanent. I do kind of want... I don't know if there's another ground type I do want. Because Doug Trio is actually really fast and hits really hard. Maybe I don't want Needle Queen because another poison type. I thought he had Pidgeotto. I don't want Needle Queen because poison type. I may go for Alakazam. I don't want to catch it right now, but I may go for one like later down the line when I actually have a chance to get more XP. And as you can see, I'm getting XP a lot faster because of course, I told you we got the XP share. And there goes my rival, got swept by a Mankey. Alright, okay, well, there's Zekrom. Actually, let me put my Ivysaur behind me. There we go. Up, and he's coming back, gonna give me the, I think it's Fane Checker. Well, it's not actually in the game, but, alright. Well, nope. I'm hitting every button. I don't need to. My goal is to get to that cave by this episode. And I want to keep my mons around the same level. I already battled all the trainers in the gym. Okay, well, I need Mankey for this battle. I want to keep my Pokemon around the same level. Because I don't want to be just way ahead of one and then out another. So I'm thinking I do want Lapras. Lapras would be extremely bulky, really good. Of course, I'm getting a Primate. I'm getting a Venusaur. I may get a Arcanine for Fire type. Flying type. May go for Aerodactyl. Actually, I get Aerodactyl. I don't need Doug Trio. But for right now, Doug Trio will be my best option until I can actually get Aerodactyl. Which I'm able to get it by the 5th gym. So once I get to the 5th gym, I'll go get that, train it up. Because I think our level cap will be like 40 or something around there. It's kind of weird. But right now, that's what my team's looking like. Aerodactyl. And by the time this video comes out, we're probably going to be way farther than that. But I'm probably going to, well, we'll have our battle by then. I'll have Doug Trio. Not Doug Trio. I'll have Aerodactyl, Arcanine, Lapras, Venusaur, Primate, and I'm still thinking about my last member. High chance is going to be Alakazam, because Alakazam is just really good. I'll swap. I forgot what these people have. Either that or I might go for Tauros. I'd say I don't know. Maybe go for Scyther. Scyther isn't too bad. Give it an EV light. Okay, that did nothing. See, I have nothing to fight. I don't have nothing to really fight grass types. And just so you guys know, the only reason I'm not fighting the gym at this second, although I can't sweep it, is because I won't be able to progress. Because I will get over the level cap by then, and then I'll be at a disadvantage at that point because I won't be able to use that mon. So right now our level cap is 26, which isn't too hard to get. Alright, Pidgey. I'm glad I get Mankey this rock Tomb because this thing, if you guys didn't realize or saw it, this Mankey has a perfect attack IV. And this is the EV is a 16 right now, but that attack stat is amazing. And I'm learning Seed Bomb. I don't need Seed Bomb. I'm not a physical attacker. Actually, hold on. No. See, if this was special, I would want it, but oh well. After this, I'll go heal. Because I'm pretty sure Mankey might have to carry me through the rest of this bridge. Because I know there's some poison types. And from the last episode, I do have the item. I'm able to buy an item on GTS, but we don't access that until the 4th gym. Look at him, he's still battling rival. Yeah, so I'm high chance he's just gonna be running around trying to figure out how to beat the gym. And there's nothing really around here that he can beat it with. So he is more or less RNG off his side. If he's still battling by the time I actually get done with the build stuff, I will be really surprised. And actually, after this the next battle, I'll actually have a Primate, which would demolish. And for the item, I'm thinking of buying either a choice, probably a choice item. Actually, can I open the GTS? I can. Let me see, how much is a choice scarf? I'll probably have to grind money, but that's not too bad. Let me just get a choice item. Because I don't think we'll probably have to talk about it, but I think we can use these items throughout, like, the regions. I'm not sure. If we can, that would be really good on my part. So I would have to do my best to try to win these battles. I actually think competitively. Because in the long run, if we do these battles all the way at the end, it's going to look really good if I have the correct, like, leftovers, all that. Actually, I think I know what my last mod might be. I may go for, I think Snorlax is here. Yeah. I think they implemented Snorlax. Might get a Snorlax. Because it's extremely bulky, hits really hard, and I'm able to, like, kind of pivot it. So I'm looking at Aerodactyl, Snorlax, Arcanine, Primeape, Venusaur. Is that, wait, hold on. Arcanine? Or Ninetales? One of the two. Aerodactyl, Venusaur, Primeape, Snorlax, and then Lapras. Okay. So that's high chance that's what my team's going to look like. It looks pretty good on paper. I just have to get the moves correct for him. Like Lapras, I'm going to have to get like Ice Beam for. And it can learn Psychic, so I'll just give it Psychic. That is free. And then I'm able to counter like fighting types with it. I would use like the Hitmonchan, but Hitmonchan isn't the best, especially defensively. Alright, gotta go back and heal. Oh, he finally beat the rival. See, his strategy right now is more or less spam healing. And what we at? We're at about 10 minutes. Okay, we're doing good. Ooh, there's also the Eevee. I may have to talk to him about something. I have an idea with the Eevee. I have a very good idea. Because since Eevee has different evolutions throughout the game, I want to know if we can actually use them. Like, so, if, like, next region, if I want to get, like, Espeon, Umbreon, and all that, then I'll be able to. My gosh, this Mankey is so good. For a normal playthrough, this Mankey's really good. And plus, I got Ivysaur getting XP in the back. What are you, level 20? Yeah. You should level up next battle. And I'm going to try to skip as many trainers as I can right here. Although it's not going to look best on my part. Just because I know that he's not in a rush to battle the gym. I don't have to straight up grind these two mons. So I can come back with Diglett. And then I'm able to grind that. That's what I'm thinking. How it's going to play out, I'll have to see. Okay. Well, that didn't work. Let me use Pursuit. Let me get a drink of my water. Ooh. Make sure you drink bottles of water today. Go ahead and knock that out. Okay, there goes Zubat. I'm off Rock Tomb. There we go. Yep, level 21. Perfect. I believe there's a TM up here. Yep. Should be attract. Nope, beat up. Oh, I forgot the updated moves. Okay. Does this guy turn? I don't think he turns. No, he does not. So I can skip a good chunk of trainers. And then I'm able to come back. Because I'll most likely be going through the SS Anne as well. And then I have all the trainers actually on the way there. I can pick up another rare candy. I did get the hidden rare candy. It's behind the house. He doesn't. I don't think he remembers all the hidden spots. So I'm gonna have more rare candies in the end. Okay, get Machop. Let me swap out Ivysaur. I'm actually free to use Ivysaur the rest of this route, I think. I'm trying to find why these guys have strength. Alright, I don't know why I use Razor Leaf. Oh, okay, never mind. That is nothing. Okay. Level 22. What? Cross Chop at level 22? Yes, please. Wow. Probably not the best move to get rid of Karate Chop, but that's really good. Okay, let me put Ivysaur up front. That. Give you there. Actually, I have extra potions, so I can do that. This guy is a slow poke. I'll come back. Okay. Oh gosh, my voice. I need more water. Okay, there we go. Sorry, sending some text. I'm using Mega Drain, get a little HP back. And the thing about using the Diglett, he'll actually think it's on my team because I'm using it. But when I swap it out, yeah, because he'll try to just straight up counter it by using like a flying type or something. But by that time, I'll have by the time he's able to get his team fully, I'll be able to go get the Aerodactyl. Because I actually haven't used fossils. And I'm really looking forward to using one, especially Aerodactyl because it's like a really good fossil. Okay, I think all the rest of these I can skip all but one. So I'll use that as training when I come back up here. Actually, let me open my chat. Nope. Okay, he hasn't messaged me. Man, I need Sludge Bomb. I need more moves. Oh my gosh, my voice. I'm like losing it mid sentence. I know you have Sturdy. No matter. I can get my HP back. And then finish you with Razor Leaf. Oh, great. Actually, I actually have my team probably will most likely be fully evolved before hit. Yeah, because Venusaur evolves level 32. Primate Mankey evolves at level 28. Dugtrio I think evolves around the same level, like 20 something. But the Dugtrio is like fodder. Alright. You don't have Sturdy. Thank you. Actually, the cape will be perfect to train in just because. Okay, let me get past this trainer real quick. Go up. Here we go. Alright, just because I know this person has grass, go to Mankey. Give Mankey some more XP. Ugh. Actually, I think the most difficult gym I'm looking at right now. Actually, I don't think I'll have any issue really. Yeah, I shouldn't really have any issue with any of the upcoming gyms. Electric, I'm good. The fourth gym may be an issue. Yeah, that gym may be an issue, but unless I get a good fire move. If I get a Growl for a Vulpix, one of those two. If I get one of those, then I should be fine. Okay, we're almost at 20 minutes. So it took about 10 minutes to get through this route. I think, yeah, I'll have enough time to get to the next town. I'm trying to think, because there's nothing he can really catch unless he goes and get like an Oddish or something. Oddish, Bellsprout, one of those two. And if he gets a grass type, I'm screwed. But, I have countermeasures. I do that, activate teleporter, boom. The SS ticket. Yeah, about 15, yeah, 15 minutes left in this episode. So that's plenty of time. Alright, let's see, where is he at? Please don't tell me he's on this bridge still. Oh, no, he's over there. He's trying to find something. He might be going for Abra. Because I think we agreed to have our starters follow us, but we're not going to have, like, just broken stuff follow us. Alright, let me go over here. So the red candy's right there up in the flower patch right here in the middle bottom. That's where the red candy is. Go through here. Alright, let me get dig. Alright, you know what? Let's test cross chop. Was it worth getting rid of this 5 PP? Okay, first time, it's always a miss. Let's try it again. And it's a crit. Okay. Well, 23. My gosh. Oh, I forgot. Oh, that just may be a problem. Psychic types may be a problem. Because there aren't really any dark types. Or, well, there's ghost type. I may use a Gengar, actually. Actually, yeah, I may use Gengar. Instead of, Snorlax. That may be fun. I don't think I've really used a Gengar. I use Alakazam, but not Gengar. Oh my gosh, there's so many people on channel 5. This is supposed to be the chill channel. Alright, that girl goes a trade. I can't wait till I get the bike. No. Come up here, and for people who don't know, if you come right here, over here, up here, boom, red candy. Alright, I'm gonna skip as many trainers as I possibly can, and of course, first batch. No, 15. My gosh. Can I hit him for cross chop? I can. Dodge you. Oh no. This man was talking about a Magnemite earlier. So it does spawn here. Oh, man. I mean, that's not an issue. I can most likely one-shot it if it doesn't have sturdy. Alright, let's test Mankey's overall power. I don't want to risk cross chop. I'll use low kick. That should knock it out. Yeah. Man, oh, this Mankey's just good. 580. And that should be knocked out by a Rock Tomb. Perfect. Alright, come down here and then boom. Couple shinies. I saw a shiny Vileplume over there. There's a Dragon Mask. Alright, let me get counter real quick. Let me message him 10 minutes. I want to try to find a higher level one. I should swap to Ivysaur in here. 24. 2 more levels to cap. Do that. Take. Boom. Give. Ivysaur. $15. I keep holding B like I have to, but I forget there's auto run in this game. Actually, hold on. I think is this? Yeah. So I do want Mankey up front, but I'll battle them with Ivysaur if I can. See, okay, level 18. Come on, give me the mon I need. It'd be crazy if I find a shiny one. Level 19, maybe my best option. I'll go ahead and catch it. You have any DF magnitude or something? Oh, you bulldoze. That's even better, actually. Alright, there we go. Perfect. Alright, there we go. 22. Alright, let me check you out. That's actually so good. Yo. This Diglett is about to go crazy. Bulldoze magnitude. Perfect. Alright, so I'm set. All I gotta do is really train this thing. And I can do that perfectly in here. Actually, while I'm looking for a fight, let me find out what level this thing evolves at. Hold on, there we go. Sorry there's no music. Diglett. Diglett evolves at level... What level does this thing evolve at? Oh! Oh, it actually was level 26. Oh, wow. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, and then of course I found level 22 one. Of course. That's my luck. I'm not going to recapture though. Although I would love how only 4 levels away that I could use the candies. It's not worth me losing my nature. Although I'm not nature heavy, it'll be overall better. Alright. Although I said I wanted the training here. Just not getting enough XP. So I'll of course I found another higher level. Of course. As soon as I take Mankey out the front with Vital Spirit, I find all the high levels. And then they're just getting high magnitude. You know what? Oh, this one has Sucker Punch. Get my HP back. I thought that thing lived on 1. I really did. Alright, put a Mankey up. Not Mankey. Diglett up front. This one. Oh, this one's Arena Trap. That's actually perfect. here. Let's get that trainer real quick. You have a Butterfree. Only reason I'm not really using Ivysaur because I'm not really worried because Ivysaur's gonna get a lot of XP from the gym. This should one shot. If I hit it. Yeah, this should one shot. Perfect. 433. Nope, I did not mean to do that. I'm gonna do that. Sorry, I'm trying to like monitor time real quick because we're running out. We got about 3 minutes left. I definitely don't want to. Man, it'd be great if I had more rare candies. I wish I had more rare candies. Because if I can get that Diglett up, I'd be fine. This person have a Squirtle. This is the route where I'll mainly be doing my training because of the Verse Seeker, and I believe in MMO they scale with your level. It's like if I come back like towards like the end of the game, this person will have a Blastoise, like 50 something, because that's how I was training on our first ever season of this. Alright, knock you out.
Hey, buddy.
Yo.
Hey.
I saw you running around. You look like you were struggling in that rival battle for a while.
Don't worry about it.
That was sad because I came down. It was like like 10 minutes later. I was like, man, is this guy still here
Oh, I was training.
on the rival?
Oh, I'm training in general.
No, I saw you training. I'm talking about like 10 minutes in.
I didn't train for the rival.
Yeah, I was like, is this man still battling this
So
rival? That's
what is
crazy.
that about the rival lost? I came back with potions and won.
Yeah, that I literally said, watch him be healing up in this fight.
Yeah, I healed the second time because I had a strategy.
Oh gosh, you said you always have a strategy. I actually made it to the Bill's house, and I'm in the next town.
So he's probably like getting his other team members or something like that.
Oh yeah, I got all 6.
What?
Don't worry about it. Just know I
Oh,
know the secrets of MMO. That's all you need to know.
I want to worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Anyway, that'll do it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and share videos with friends. Turn on post notification notify whenever I upload a video. And leave down in the comments below who you think is going to win this series. I'm already 1 up on the little sub count
The sub count, yeah.
for the gyms. And what was it? We have how many? Because there are 4 regions. And I'm not good.
Four
I'm not good at
times
math.
8,
I'm not good at math.
32.
Yeah, math ain't my forte. So that's a lot. That's a lot of points. And we
Yeah.
only got to win about 2 seasons just to be up, and that person is gonna have to be feeling the pressure.
Me, probably.
Anyway, this is Coach 23. This is Darkman 6, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.